What's up, everybody? We're back at Addison's shop, and we have to work on the Supra because we almost blew it up.
What? What the fuck?
When we installed the intake manifold, I said, always try to do the installs yourself and don't pay a shop and try to do it. But when we installed the intake manifold, we did a little oopsies, and we're fixing that oopsies today. Is it a lot easier?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bro. Oh, my God. That was so much easier than doing it at home.
Like 2 hours last time.
This was a last time. But we have to drain all the coolant again because we have to redo the manifold. Yeah, the car's broken.
Broken.
Done. SEMA.
We blew it up.
Not happening anymore. Dude, the intake manifold looks so good. I need to figure out how we're gonna mount these reservoirs. If anybody has recommendations, let me know. But yeah, me and Addie, we installed the intake manifold last time. And when routing the coolant lines, we actually got them mixed up. One line is supposed to run to the water pump. The other line is supposed to run to the heat exchanger. We got it mixed up because we watched a YouTube video and that's how they did it. But when I read the instructions, I realized we have it running incorrectly. We have to fix that today before the engine goes. But it's okay because today when we are taking apart the manifold again, we're actually going to be installing new charge pipes. Like, dude, check it out. Put this thing next to the manifold. It's going to look crazy. Oh, dude, it's gonna look so crazy, dude. Oh my gosh. Check the package, and he actually gave me a shirt. What? So we're gonna rock it today. We are upgrading the titanium charge pipes today. The plastic charge pipes are prone to cracking, and when you get a crack, you get boost leaks, you get loss of power, you get loss of responsiveness. So it's kind of like a preventative thing. You're not really gonna gain any power from charge pipes, but it's gonna look freaking sick and you get that extra protection. So one thing about RK Titanium is everything is welded and put together at his shop here in Washington. It's actually made in the United States. Unlike a lot of these other brands, America, quality.
Last night was the last time that I saw you. My lifeline every time that I called you came through.
Good thing about the instructions, we thought we actually put it on right, but no. The top line goes to the water pump and the bottom line goes to the heat exchanger. Read instructions.
Now I'm right here, thinking what am I gonna do?
Dude, that vlog is actually pretty funny, bro.
Last night was the last time that I saw you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Top to the water pump.
Water pump, yeah.
You don't have to sit there and find the right attachment cone for everything. Yeah.
Oh. No fucking way! No fucking way!
We get that on video? We get that on video?
Yeah, I got it! Oh my god! Not again, bro!
See it?
You see it?
Oh, that thing's fucking.
Let's go! Let's go! Didn't happen.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Delete that.
Time to install the charge pipes. We removed the factory O-ring from the factory charge pipe. Car only has like 15,000 miles to be honest, so those should be okay to do these.
Sounding like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think a new answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick on the phone. Bless the kiss my with a kiss on my lips like.
Dude, that looks so good. Holy shit.
I'm with a gift and I'm doing my
that looks fucking insane, dude. What the fuck?
I'm the man in the city.
Oh
and
my
my bank account
god.
bigger and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt. I'm a that's a lot of mouth. Alright.
This looks fucking sick. Holy shit.
Dude, it looks so fucking good.
Dude, it's so clean.
Imagine when the rest of the shit comes together.
Looks good.
Dude, what the fuck? Addison, you're right. The turbo noises under low now with the charge pipe. It's so freaking loud, dude. It sounds so good. I hope the camera can capture this for you guys. Holy shit. All right, let's see if you guys can hear this noise. Let me, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's definitely way louder. The induction noise is... Oh my god, dude, that is ridiculous. Dude, it might even sound better than Phil's now. I don't know. I hope the camera picked that up. We got a tunnel coming up. Let's see. I don't know if you guys are able to hear this, but it is so freaking loud. What the heck? Let's see if you guys can hear that. I hope you guys... Dude, even the intake's louder with the induction noises and... Oh my, I really hope you guys can hear that. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, my garage is still broken. I love how the engine bay is coming out, and at the end of all of this, I might be biased, but I think I'm gonna have one of the cleanest engine bay setups. We will see. But right now, imagine there's a cover right there. The intake manifold and the piping just give me 2JZ vibes. Now this side just looks really empty compared to this side, but eventually one day when we do a turbo kit, it's all gonna be okay. All right, buddy. You wanna see what Daddy installed today? So we got the intake manifold on, build it, raw finish, and look at that titanium charge point. Wow. Everything's coming together, huh, buddy? Wow. Yeah, we gotta figure out where the reservoirs are going to. Oh! And then this is the HKS intake. Dude, just look at the engine bay. It's gonna be perfect. Daddy going to SEMA. Triple chrome, buddy. You like that, don't you? That's crazy, huh? Say hi to baby Renly. Hey! Comment, like, subscribe. So my dad can make more money and buy diapers and a go-kart because he's gonna be a pro race car driver.